picture this for me. You get a new buyer referred to you, and in the initial conversation, they talk about how they've already been pre-qualified, and you're thinking, woohoo, I've got a solid buyer. But then you ask, what lender are you working with? And they say their bank or Rocket or anyone that you'd rather not work with. So what do? Do you let them continue to move forward with a lender that you think may not be in their best interest and hope it works out? Sidebar, hope is not a strategy. Or do you lead the client down the path that you believe will be best for them and recommend they get a second opinion? I know how you feel when you get a great referral and you don't want to necessarily rock the boat. I felt the same way with clients who come to me with exactly what kind of loan program and structure they want, only for me to professionally guide them down a different path that I believe will be better for them. And what I found is that every single time I stick my neck out there a bit and lead them down the path that I think is best, they always appreciate it. We build a deeper, more meaningful connection. The level of trust skyrockets. Now we have to remember that our clients want to be led. They may not act like it because nowadays everybody's an expert from Googly, but this is the largest transaction of their life and they want to be with someone who is an expert, that is confident and they feel like is going to lead them. Now we all know the riskiest part of a transaction is the lending piece. So how can you be their trusted advisor without at least recommending they get a second opinion with your preferred lender? So here's an example of something that you could say in this situation. Client, oh my gosh, I'm so thrilled that you took the initiative to get pre-qualified and we now have an idea of what price range we should be looking in. Now, you're hiring me to ensure that we successfully close on the home that you want. And in order to do that, I have to manage risk throughout this entire process. I know that the riskiest part of home buying is the lending piece. So in order for me to do my job, I need you to at least have a conversation with my preferred lender. You don't have to work with them. If after your conversation you decide you still want to work with Chase, that is completely up to you. But I need you to at least get a second opinion to ensure that your qualification is accurate, that you have the best terms, that you're qualified for the price that you should be. So can I have Amber give you a call today to start that process? That's it. Lead your clients. I promise they want it and they will respect you more for it. When they feel like they're running the show, it can start to create doubts in their mind. And of course, if the Kovarek team is not your preferred lender, substitute in whoever is, but we would be honored to have an opportunity to show you how we work and why at least half of the time we're able to qualify a client for a different program or qualify them for a higher sales price in that second opinion conversation due to our expanded guidelines. So as always, my team will be available for all of your weekend pre-qualification needs. Thanks.